Okay, the unbox with me JY019. Wow, it's a nice case. Wow, so nice. Yeah. Okay, it's a nice case. Wow. Okay. So nice. This nice remote control. It's nice. Yes. This will put battery over here. It's nice. Wow. This nice camera. It's nice. This will put battery in here. It's nice. Okay, there are 3 volt battery put in right here for remote control. Nice. There's 2 battery. It's nice. And extra over here. And charger and screwdriver. It's nice. So nice. Right here, you put the battery in here. It's nice. This open here on the top. Wow. Wow, this nice. Bling bling bling. Wow, this the back is so beautiful. The front too. Wow, so nice. Yeah. So nice. We can close over here. You hold. Yeah. It's nice. Okay. We have charger and screwdriver. This charger for you charge your battery over here. Right here. You can put that way for charge battery. Okay. Take out for put battery in here. Right here. They have 3 battery for you. That's nice. You don't need to buy. They put for you. Yeah, that's nice. For JY019. Some drone they don't get this one. You need to buy themselves. But this one they print for you. That's nice. The brand new battery. Nice. Okay. Put it here. Just can put this one back. And get screwdrivers. It's tight. Good. It's nice. Can open over here. You know, this one you go left, close. You go right, you open. Left, close, right, open. And this one remote control. You know, this for down, up, left, right. You have a camera and a photo in here. It's nice. You could go when you close, you down. This one for the right side for control. You go front, back, right, left. This one, right, left side. You need your drone go up and down, go up and down. Head red, left and right. This is the head drone. You wanna go head drone left, you go left. You need the head drone right, you go right. You need drone up, go up. You need drone down, down. This one, wanna fly, you can go front, back, left, right. This is nice. Yeah. This is nice for control. This one, you can put your phone. You can put your phone back over here. It's nice. Right here, you can put your phone in here. You put your phone over here. You can look on the camera. You see your drone fly. You know, it's nice. It's good. So nice. This app. And you set us on your phone. You scan over here, set up on your phone on app. This control. This is nice. And for box to make the traction, you look. This talk about drone. You know. It's okay. You can look my video. I look for you. That's good. This one for charger. Charger you can try over here. Put right like that. And you have this your cell. Then get for you, you need to have your cell. Put like that. And put charge. When the battery lows, they still they see over here the red. They mean low battery. When over here the green one, the full. It's nice. Okay. Good. It's so nice. Yes, nice. Fly, this is good for fly. So nice. Okay, you can up and down, up and left. You go left. It's nice. Go left. It's so nice. It's nice though. There's a move. It's nice. Yes, I tell you, it's a nice drone. You know, they not shake. They they stand over here. When you say remote control, they go. There are some drone. They shake. They go left, right. This one they don't shake. You need your remote control. They should go left or right, down, up, down, and left, left, right. Wow, this is nice. Yeah, it's nice. It's nice. Okay, right now you want it down, you put like that, up, down. Wow, it's nice. It's nice. This nice drone. Yes, this good. This is good quality. This nice. Bling bling bling.